Okay guys, this is my first video that I'm doing on YouTube, so hopefully you like what we post on here. We're at a restaurant right here. They just bought the building and there's 6 units up on top, and they did no inspection when they bought the unit, so we're going to find out exactly what they need, what they have, and see if we can make any repairs, and we'll go from there. We'll take you for a ride on it, and we'll see what we got. Stay with us. What a mess. How do you buy a building and you have all these problems on an HVAC? So this right here we took out. We're trying to save some money. We're going to be replacing this one, obviously. And this is the only one that works up here. So we took this one out and put it in this one right here. Right here, this may run. This is the fan motor. The fan motor on this needs to be replaced, and this one right here probably going to be replaced as well. It's low on refrigerant, and the blower motor in here is shot, so it's not really worth to put that kind of money in there. You just don't want to invest that kind of money into it, but that's what we're looking at right now. We're trying to get this one up here and running, and look at high pressure switch is cut out of this. I haven't really looked at this, but this wiring is not right. I don't believe that no, that's not right. So we need to put one more. Hopefully this will get this up and running. We're just trying to save money right now on these units. So we're taking the fan motor. We already took this fan motor out from the other one and put it in here. We're going to take that fan motor down there and put it over there, because both of these fan motors are bad. And we're going to see what we can do for this guy. Like I said, he needs a 10-ton and he needs a 5-ton. So, and he just bought the building, man. Hopefully he got himself a good deal on this. Don't know if the smoke detectors are intact. They all have one. We'll have to get one for down there because that one does not have one. But they all have the smoke detector. Obviously they need it for the restaurant. Who knows? We might have to get him a new one of those. I don't even know if they work. We'll find out. I think one of them that's not even hooked up, and this might be the one that's not hooked up. No, that might be the one that's not hooked up. So I'd rather have this one. You know what? That is the one that's not hooked up. Let's see. Yeah. See? So you can't tell me that's working. That thing's not working. So it doesn't matter. It's got to go. This fan motor locks up. Like, it'll run for like 15 minutes, then it will shut down. But there's other things over here. On this one, we got here and it was in the heat mode, and it was hot as blazes on this, but the contactor wasn't engaging. But I don't know why that was, but we're gonna find out. And by the time I got up here to check it out, my tech pushed down this, and the contactor and the fan motor came on and it stayed. So it could be a bad contactor. We got to check out the voltage. But that's where we're at right now. We're gonna see what we got to do to get these things up and running. Always fun day here in Jacksonville. We'll get back with y'all.